Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? I am fine. Thank you, I am fine. Thank you. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Name. My name is Name. I am happy. I am happy. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I love my mom. I love my mom. I love my dad. I love my dad. Please give me water. Please give me water. I want to play. I want to play. I'm going to school. I'm going to school. I like to draw. I like to draw. This is my toy. This is my toy. That is my book. That is my book. Can I help you? Can I help you? Thank you. Thank you. You are welcome. You are welcome. Sorry, sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Go to sleep.